Okay, so we're going to show installing and removing a 2013, so second gen Toyota Sequoia wiper blade. So this is the front one. We've got our other one there. This one, there's a little clip here, and basically you just need to push that, and I even did it one-handed. And then it pivots off of that little clip there, and that's how it goes back in. And installation is similar to the removal, except for now you have to pinch these and pull them under, and now you got your windshield wiper back on. So just to follow up, these blades are left and right specific. They're different sizes to meet the accommodations of the windshield, and they are of the only models of cars, Sequoia Tundra, that you can't just replace the rubber insert. You need the whole blade portion, which is quite integrated as far as being a piece of rubber. Some, RAV4s, Camrys, you can actually, there's a way of just replacing the rubber insert in here, which this is less of a framed wiper, so that's why. But there you go. Got the new and old Toyota Sequoia blades here. You can see this is a lot less UV weathered. Must have some kind of coating, but it's a really nice rubber. We've bought part source ones, so the Bosch, the rain effects wipers, and the Toyota ones work the best for the longest in our opinion. So this is the old one. It worked for many years. It's got, you can see the blade has become bent. So because it's slightly bent from just prolonged use, it isn't as sharp anymore. You can see how it's got more of a bend to it, so it doesn't fully wipe anymore. And that's how you can tell 100% that your blade is not right. So we're going to change this out and get some clean windshields.